How to do fast pay with DoorDash. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to do fast pay with your DoorDash account. So first of all you have to do is just open your App Store or your Play Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for DoorDash. And after that, just simply go ahead and install the DoorDash application in your mobile device. And after that, once you're done installing the application, just click on open and open your DoorDash account. And just go ahead and create your profile if you haven't applied for DoorDash account as of now. And once you're successfully created your account and logged into your account, just explore the app. And after that, just put the product or the food that you would want to eat from your DoorDash account. And after that, just simply put that product into your cart. And after that, just click on view cart. And now in order to do fast pay, all you have to do is just click on the payment section from the place order right beside the place order section. Just simply tap on it. And after that, over here, you will be able to see a bunch of different payment options available with you. So in order to do fast pay, just simply select the payment mode that you would want to opt. For example, you want to opt for credit or debit card, or you want to opt for Paytm, Amazon Pay, or Lazy Pay, net banking, Simply, or whatever the payment method that you are comfortable using. And after that, just simply select the payment method. For example, I'm choosing credit or debit card. And on this page, just enter your card details like your name, your card number, expiration date, CVC code, and other details. And after that, just place your order and complete the transaction. And this way, you will be able to do fast pay on your DoorDash account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.